morning, family. This song on Mike 392. Out here at Coffee and Cars this morning. Getting some content for you guys. I put my gloves on. I got to wear my gloves this morning. It's cold out here. It's foggy. You see it's cold. It's foggy out here and cold. And I'm standing in my favorite little spot right here. This is where I am the last 4 months. Right here in this one. I like to catch them when they're coming in. A lot of the people that come through here, the regulars, they know me. They know this is my spot. As soon as they see me, they start waving at me. I don't know if they're waving at me or waving at the camera because they know they're going to be on my YouTube channel. I don't know. Either way, it don't matter. I'm good with it, whatever. But anyway, I hope you guys having a wonderful Saturday morning. Hope you inside warm. I'm taking care of business for you guys. I'm doing all the work for you guys. So you guys appreciate it in my comments. Leave a like, some comments. And please leave me some comments. I appreciate the comments, man. And share my videos with others if you don't mind, please. I thank you. Give me some thumbs up, too. I appreciate that, too, man. That'll work for me. If it works for you, it'll work for me. Appreciate it. Here comes some more. Ooh, look at this. What is this, a Mercedes? Yep, Mercedes, and look like a Datsun 280Z back there. I think that's what that is. With them beautiful lights on the back. I see them lights back there. That is a Z. It's a Z. I like these big trucks that come up with them lights on. I like all them lights they got. I like that. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah, they just out here drinking coffee and talking about cars. That's what they do, coffee and cars. That's what it's for. What's going on, brother? I'm doing all right, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, let me walk around a little bit because it's not many coming in like I usually. I'm going to walk around and just see what's out here. Let's get this Mach 1 over here. I want to get this Mach 1 over here.
Yeah, that's an old Pacer. AMC Pacer.
What year is this Mach 1?
22.
22. That's nice. I like that. Whose Mustang is this?
Not sure. Just met him.
Oh, okay. He's got it for sale. I was going to put it on my channel because I got 2,200 subscribers. So all it takes is one to sell it. Huh?
Yeah.
Well, if he ain't here, I got to keep moving.
Well, there's information on this for sale.
Oh, it's okay. I got you. But I didn't want to do it without his permission. I don't like to assume anything. I don't do that. You get in trouble doing that shit, you know? Assuming. I learned that in the Army. All right, guys, let's go over and see what they got over here.
Yeah, it's fun while it's working. I mean, it's been holding up.
Ooh, this is nice. I like this.
You could, but it wouldn't be fun. It would just be fun. Yeah, really.
This is C06.
I got something. Is that bottom belt? Second one belt, harmonic balance. Oh, yeah. Just the belts are expensive, cheap ones. Buy a bought another extra gates for the back. I'm always keeping an extra belt in this damn thing. Usually it rides on the back. Now it's riding on the front. I'm wondering because now it's right there. And usually it's towards the back.
Look at this. I like this. Look at this Shelby. Yeah, that's the Shelby. That's nice. Is it a 350? Yep, GT350. That's nice. I'll tell you, man, that's a lot of people around here got Shelby GT350 to 3G500. I see a lot of them, man. I got tons of them on my channel. What's up, brother?
What's up?
Right. Go over here and film the guys in this club over here that came in on my first video. This is my second. What's up, guys?
How are you, man?
All right, thank you. Yes, sir. Trans Am. It's old school Trans Am, man. It's beautiful, man. What's going on, officer? Let me wrap this up, man. Huh? I'm fine, brother. Thank you. Rain or shine, Uncle Mike's on the grind. I'm telling you. I'm dedicated to my channel. I'm dedicated to my subscribers, man. You guys, man. That's why I come out here and this. Oh, look at this old school Countach, man. Oh, man, it's an old one, man. Look at this thing. I think this is a Countach. I don't know. It's something different. Oh, that's funky. I like that. I thought that was a Lamborghini. That is nice. Whatever. I thought it was a Lamborghini because of that wing on the back, but it's not. I got to find out what that is when I go through my videos.
Hey, what was it?
I don't know. I didn't get to see it. It's not a Lamborghini.
No, it's like a Pantera. It looks
Yeah,
like
I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it.
Huh.
But it's not. I got to go down there and find him.
Do you know what that white car was?
I think it's a Lamborghini.
No, it's not a Lamborghini. No, it's not.
I was thinking
No, it's not. Because it started with a
Looks like
P.
the original
Yeah, it started with a
first
P.
one, but
Yeah, I
that's
seen
what
that
thought-
part. It
I
started
thought
with a
at
P.
first as a
Okay,
Suzuki
I bet it's
car, but
Pantera.
no, I've seen that car before.
Ooh, look at this thing. GT.
It's got like a Chevrolet
There's
You
something
can't go
for
off
it.
of a Trans Am and they go, look at this thing. That's
Huh?
Mustang.
Huh?
I said, you can't go off of a Trans Am and they go, oh, look at
Hey,
this.
man, I'm a YouTube man. I can do
No,
what I
I'm
want.
kidding. I'm
This is my
kidding,
channel.
man. I'm kidding, bro. No, that is a good looking.
Where your car at, man? Oh, let me put you in. This your official pace car. There you go.
Dude, that's my dream car. I've wanted that car for so long.
1999. Wow. Okay.
99, yes. Thank you very much.
Daytona
I
5.
drive the crap out of it.
Do you?
Yeah. So here's the deal. I wanted one in 1998. I graduated high school, and I went to Walmart, and they had the poster. I like it. Green.
That's it for all right there.
Oh, hey. Right over here. What's my business? He was like, I know his buddy's like, hey, look, there's Trans Am over here.
All right, let me get back on you.
Anyway, yeah, so they 98 up to Walmart, they had a good poster, and they had one. I mean, 99 3.
You know?
I think that's white. And it was well taken care of.
Ram Air. There you go. Ram Air. I like it.
I drive over everything. Really cool.
There's something funky coming. I be looking down the hill. When I hear certain sounds, I be alert, man. Like, here, check this out. T06. Look at that thing, man. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. I heard they got a nice Lamborghini down that way. So I'm gonna be making my way down there in a little bit. Got some more cars. Let me turn around if I can get them coming in. There's a Porsche. G3. Yep. What that is.
I drove the family car.
Oh, look at this, man. There's something funky coming in. That's nice. Look at that. That's a Duster. Wow. Okay, I ain't seen one of them in a minute. Here comes this Jeep Renegade. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the sound. Start number 3 late.